So let's say you were making a learning center where your students were going to create an alphabet book similar to the one on this website, where the pictures reflect what the letter looks like, not necessarily what the letter it says, the sound the letter makes. So here's how you might capture this image to remind them of their task. So I'm using a program called Jing, which is free, and you download it and install it on your computer. On a Windows machine, when it's installed and running, you'll have a little golden orb in the top, but on my Mac, it's over here on the far corner. I can move it a little bit, but I'm going to leave it right there. Since I want to capture this image, I'm going to click on this sun ray that says capture, and then it actually lets me decide which part of the screen I want to capture. So I'm going to capture just this part of the screen that shows or reminds them about what we're doing. Once I've highlighted that part, now I have these tools that tell me I can capture an image or I can capture a video. If I didn't get it quite right, I could redo my selection. I'm going to capture an image this time. Now the image is captured, and I can see that if I move it around, it's a separate image from the website behind it. I have tools built into Jing where I can add arrows, text, a frame, even highlight. So I'm just going to add some text right here that reminds my students of something. I can change the font if I'd like, I can change the color if I'd like, and I can change the size of my text. So I'm just going to put, remember pictures that look like the letter, not sound like the letter. And if I wanted to, I could call that out by making the background perhaps bright, so they'll be sure to notice it. When I'm done with that, I could of course put arrows, or I could add more annotation, but let's say I'm done. I have a couple of choices down here at the bottom. It automatically dates and timestamps this file, or I can rename it, and then I can put it into the cloud, into the free screencast account I get when I open my Jing account, or I can save it to my computer. This time I'm just going to save it to my computer because I'm going to put it into another document, or I'm going to print it out. So I'm going to click Save, and now it's saved, and you can see if I want to, I can open that file, and there is the document that I just made using Jing. So you can see Jing's a great tool. It's free, but it's really, really easy and powerful.